Welcome to CouponBet, the travel agency organizer. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can just browse through the booking manager and search specific bookings. So one of the most important tools here is being able to search for bookings and quickly find the information of your customer. So imagine you have a customer traveling in August. So how do you find them fast? Well, let's see. And what more you want to know? You want to know which agent booked it. Well, let's go here. We click here in August, and there you are. Now you can see here that this booking is a van booking. Let's click on this to go more deeper. So you can see here Miss Susan has booked a van booking for 15 packs, and amount of payment is by bank. Status has not been checked yet, and booked by, you can see this is the username and this is the agent's name. So it's booked by this agent, and what is the earnings? You can see everything in here. Very simple and very straightforward. And this is really easy. So this, let's go back. And once we go back, we can again do something else. So let's see if we have any bookings for October. None. What about May? Yes, there we are. So you can see here we have a lot of bookings here, and it's easy to search. CouponBet is really designed to help you organize your travel agency and help you to retrieve or search your bookings in a matter of seconds. It's just instant. Once you click here and then you just search on it, you can find here all the names of every booking there is, and that's really useful. So this is CouponBet, a very useful tool to organize your travel agency. Are you interested in CouponBet? Go to couponbet.com and register now.